This is Standard 8 English 1.4 Revati's Musical Plants. Okay. Now this lesson is a very beautiful lesson. It is about Revati, and she was a small girl, who was a music student. That means she was fond of music and she was a student of music. She was learning music, and the musical instrument that she was playing was violin, and she was fond of playing violin, and her favorite raga was Raga Mohanam. And one day what happened, she noticed that there is a balsam plant in her courtyard, and that was placed in a center of her courtyard. So we know that courtyard is it's a center place, like a veranda. It's an open space, and this girl, she noticed that there is a plant there. Now there was something unusual about that plant, that the leaves were very pale and the plant was not so big also. So she decided to shift the plant to a good place. That is, she was knowing that, she remembered when she was in school, she studied in the lower classes that plant needs sunlight and water. So if it is provided and supplied and given in a proper way, then that plant and tree grows very well. So she shifted that plant, and while shifting that plant to a better place, to a center place, on the center place of the courtyard, where the sunlight was coming directly, and every day she used to water that plants. So while shifting that plant, she got an idea that to participate in a best plant contest, and she said that I'll take care of this plant every day, and I'll see to it that this plant grows very well. And she decided to participate in this contest. So she made up her mind. Okay. Now every day Revati would sit on bench and watch her potted plant, and she used to play the her violin. There was a bench there, and she used to sit there and used to do her practice. Now next evening what happened? Next evening, as she was playing on her violin, after some time she noticed that there was a movement, and there was a definite movement in her plant. And what was the movement? That they all bent towards her. And this surprised her. So she never have seen like this action of any plant, that they are moving, but there was a movement, and she played different. Now as she used to play her favorite tune, they used to enjoy, that plants used to enjoy, and they used to bend towards her. But afterwards she played a different tunes, and the plants, they turned away from her. So they didn't like that tune. But again, after some time, she started playing her favorite tune, that is Raga Mohanam, and the plants again bent towards her. So that was a thing that she noticed, and she never have imagined like this, or experienced like this. This was like a magic for her, that how come these plants are responding to her music. Now what happened? She kept this knowledge as a secret. She never told to anybody. She kept it for herself only, that this thing was there, that these movements I have seen of my plants. To her surprise, the plant was now what happened? That plant was taller and healthier and started flowering also, and in a few days compared to the other plants. So there was a growth, there was a progress in that plants, and these plants came up very well. It grew taller, healthier, and started flowering also. And one of the plant had what it had, this had an unusual kind of flower, and that was a flower where that this flowers were mauve means a light violet color flower with white stripes. So it was a very unique kind of flowers there, and she was very happy to see that my plants have grown very well. And that evening she was very much relaxed and knew that she will win that or get that prize of, and she will be the winner of this competition that is there next day. Now what happened next day? That was an important day, and she got up in the morning and went to see that her plants, as usual, that was her habit. But where there were no plants and no pots. So when she went there outside to search and see for her plants, there were no plants and no pots also. So she started searching all over. So she started looking for it. So where anybody has shifted the plant anywhere, but she searched all over means every side of her house, and asked her mother that, have you seen my plants? But mother said that no, she didn't knew anything about it, but she knew nothing, she said. That was a reply from her mother. But addition to it, she said that some neighbors previous day they have visited the house and they were looking and observing our plants. Now at that moment, Revati felt that everything is lost, and evening came. The competition, that results and everything was there, prize distribution ceremony was there. So that evening all her friends were going to prize distribution ceremony, but Revati was not in the mood to go and attend that prize distribution. But still her friends forced her that you come with us. And after reaching there, she went there, and as she was observing the displayed plants there, what happened? In the displayed plants, she recognized that her pot and plants are there only, and they were having the others name tag. That is, someone else neighbor had put her name tag. Now this neighbor was a regular participant of the plant competition. Every year, every time she used to be there, her name used to be there. Now Revati was in a kind of confusion and in kind of question that she was not knowing what to do, because it was her plants and that plant and pot was having that person's name, the neighbor. Now she has cheated. By doing cheating, she had got her Revati's plant. Now Revati went straight to the organizer and told them that she could prove that these plants are hers. Now after hearing this, the organizers were surprised that how come it is that this small girl, she is claiming that these plants are hers. And she went running towards her house and brought her violin. Now when she brought this violin and she started to play her violin, as she was playing the violin, the organizers and the people over there, they were just surprised that what this girl is up to. Now is it like that any these plants are going to dance or what, anything? They were not knowing that thing. And this girl, what is there in her mind? That was a question in front of all the people and the organizers. Now as this Revati started playing the violin and her favorite tune, what happened? As she was playing the tune, she was lost in her music, and very well she played that music, the tune, the raga, and her eyes were closed. But all the other people and organizers, they were surprised because their eyes were wide open, and they were surprised to see that there was a movement in the plants. There was the plants where they started bending towards her, and it was a different kind of experience for them. They have never seen like this, anything like this, and they were very much surprised. And after inquiring that neighbor, what happened, that then she, after a debate, after a fight, after an argument, then she convinced that yes, I have taken her Revati's plants. I have seen her this very that the plants were very much grown nicely, and in the night time I went there and I took it to my house and I tagged with my name and I presented it for this competition. So, and she was caught, and this way Revati was happy to find her own plants, and she was the winner of the competition. The organizers gave her prize and she was happy, and she returned back with her plants and the prize. So what we have learned from this lesson, the thing is that if we are very much attached to something, and if we are taking care of it, so we can recognize it, and the things that we love, whether it is a plant or an animal or people around us in our family, if we are very much concerned about them, if we are taking care of them, surely in return also what we get is the same kind of concern, is the same kind of care and love. Okay, so an appreciation, also a respect also. So we should always keep this in mind, that it is a give and take thing, that if we give respect, we get respect. If we give care is given to us. If we are giving love is given to us. If we are giving concern is given to us. Okay, if we are giving appreciation to anyone, we will also be appreciated. Or if we are giving encouragement to others, we will be also encouraged. So things are like this only, it's an give and take. Okay, so we should always remember this. Homework for you is write the good things about Revati from this lesson, and what all musical instruments are there, the names of it list. And if you are fond of music, what is your favorite musical instrument? Or if you are interested to be a music singer or a player, so how you will work on it and what you will do to achieve that. So this thing you have to write it out. That's it for today.